Hey guys, I hope you're well. I'm so happy the sun came out here today because I was really starting to miss it. I think what I would like to say now is that I normally do not speak in my videos because I do not want my words to interfere with the way that you look at the videos or whatever it's happening in the videos that I record. But since Mr. Richard asked me to talk a bit more, or that he is enjoying when I am talking, I guess it will come easier if I will have a subject to talk, because normally when I come here there is nothing in my mind. Like when I arrive here, my only connection or thoughts are to go inside the water and listen to the birds and connect with nature. However, if you do guys have any questions or anything that you want me to answer or speak more, then please do write them in the comments and I'll do my best to respond to them. Yeah, so I guess one of the questions that I asked Richard was like, what would you like me to talk more about? And he pointed out that he would like to know why am I doing this. So I guess the reason why am I doing this is because I used to have a lot of pains in the body, and I used to have a lot of, especially like in the back of my head pain, and I had this feeling of always like heating up, and especially I don't know how to explain, like my brain was on fire, kind of like, and I just didn't know how to deal with that pain, and at one point just started to be so natural that that was the only state that I knew how to be. So I needed to find a way to relax and pull myself out of that state. So since I started doing the legs, I've noticed a huge improvement into those type of pains. Like they are not there anymore, or if they are just like very frequent. But I am experiencing much more these pain-free moments where I can just like enjoy life without having to have that pain constantly with me. And now I don't want to give it up or stop. I also don't want to use the lake as a means to how can I say, like, to become addictive to it. Like there are days when I don't come here and it's fine. Like I don't feel that I'm missing out, or sometimes I do feel that maybe if I stay too long without being in the ice, some of the pains are coming back, but it's not to the same intensity. And I do have this stillness and patience that has developed within me, and the space to accept or deal with the pain that comes. So yeah, this is one of the main reasons that I started, and I still do it, and also because it's a very nice way to connect with nature and just be in nature and acknowledge all these changes that are happening in the nature with each season changes, and the sound of the birds is different in the morning than at night. Everything is just it's different, you know. So it's just so marvelous to witness and watch everything. Like yeah, so this is the main reason why I'm doing this. Now, normally what I do in my life right now, I am studying. So I'm a full-time student. I'm studying Bachelor of Engineering in Industrial Management. And I am also streaming. I am a pretty small streamer, but I will make it bigger in one day. And if it's not happening, it's okay. um, but this is my life right now. I'm studying from home. My course, it is an online course. I did chose it that way because I do not like going to um, a class and having to depend on that class for me to learn, because I'm able to draw my own schedules and keep focus and have the discipline to learn and get done whatever is necessary um, um, for finalizing this degree. So yeah, I guess that's it from me. If you guys have any questions, just feel free to write them in comments, and I'll do my best to reply to them or make a videos about them. I won't be talking every time in my videos because yeah, I just feel it is much more natural for me um, to just be, and not having all the time to interrupt this process of being in connection with whatever is around me, by thinking or creating a scenario or dialogue, or when sometimes it's really not necessary to have it. So yeah, that's it for me, guys. I wish you guys a great rest of your day, and thank you so much for watching the videos. Really appreciate it, and I'm so happy to hear that you guys enjoying them. I will not stop doing them because I am enjoying what I'm doing. So yeah, I'm still shaking.